today we are gonna go to Blue Mountain from Sydney using the public transportation.
Yeah.
It takes like
2.5 to 3 hours.
yeah, so hopefully it'll be more like 2.5.
Yeah.
We have some friends in the back, and we will also show you how you can use the public transportation here using Opal cards.
You can book a tour, which is like easier. They'll come pick you up and drive you there. But it's also like $100+. And this public transportation, I think it's about $10.
15.
Oh, 15.
Yeah. So it's so much cheaper. Okay, let's go.
We're almost at the train station.
So from Kachumba, we're gonna take the bus to the Blue Mountains Scenic World.
Okay, so from here you take the 686 bus. We got our Subway sandwiches, so.
was our day in Blue Mountains Scenic World. So we literally did everything. And here's our friends. Yeah, it was like literally a full day. Yeah. We loved the rainforest walk. It was really peaceful.
And the railway
yeah,
going down.
Yeah,
that was freaking intense.
Yeah, that was pretty adventurous.
Oh my god, I felt like you were gonna fall over. Alright, it's about 4 and we have to head back before it gets really, really dark.
Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked our video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell for the notification. And check out our Instagram over there. Yeah, for beautiful photos and daily stories. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.